Bhargav.
Hi, thank you so much. Oasis in a desert. I love the attention that I get.
I'll ask you some spicy questions.
Oh God.
Okay, how was your first crush?
Was Jackie Shroff.
Oh,
He's so
And-
handsome and tall, you know.
something in the heart for you.
No, I think, that he's the CEO for India and Southeast Asia operations.
Acha, how you have named Bagundi like?
So, Bagundi means good in Telugu.
Hi everyone. So welcome back to Candid Canvas. Today we have another interesting guest with us who's just sitting next to me. She's a charming lady named Charu Bhargav and she's a business entrepreneur. She is running Bagundi restaurant and she has 3 chains of restaurant right now in Shahpur Jat, Okla Phase 1, plus she's also having it in
Noida.
Noida. So let's welcome the charming lady, her itself.
Hi, thank you so much.
So Charu, we will start with quick questions with you.
Sure.
First, you tell me how did you felt when you entered the clinic? Like you are coming to the clinic from so long, and you are
Yeah.
getting your treatments here, like laser and all. So how was your journey to luxury aesthetic? How do you find people here? And
So, luxury aesthetic is a beautifully designed clinic. I mean, when you come here, it's like a oasis in a desert.
So
Yeah, really, you feel like that. And it's a white oasis, especially in summers. It's so amazing, so soothing and so calming. And plus, the staff here is tremendous. And, I love the attention that I get here. It's so personalized. So, I love it here.
so she has been taken laser from us, laser HR. And how is your experience with it?
So the doctors are very knowledgeable and they are well informed and they have guided me correctly. So I think it has been really, I mean, it's quick, it's painless, and within minutes I'm free. So I loved it.
That's a good description about it because it is the fastest
Yeah.
and painless machine which we have. So moving on to our next segment, we will ask you some spicy questions.
Oh God. Okay.
So just tell me, how was your first crush and who was he like?
So my first crush, if I remember, was Jackie Shroff.
Oh,
He was the actor in Hero, So I really used to adore him at one point in time. So yeah, he was my first crush.
oh great.
He's so
And-
handsome and tall. His personality was
he is.
amazing. Yeah.
His voice is very good. And now his son is doing great.
Yeah.
So next question is another spicy question for you is like she has 2 kids and they're grown up. So your
Yeah.
son is, how old is he?
So my son is 18 and he's training to be a professional cricketer.
Okay, wow.
Yeah.
So tell me one thing कि कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि his friends have approached you और कोई ऐसी बात उन्होंने की हो जिससे you must have felt that they have something in their heart for you.
No, I think, all his friends have, literally they've all grown up together.
Okay.
So I treat them as my own sons and they are so affectionate and so nice and they're perpetually living out of our house, they come over all the time and they sleepovers. But yes, being a mother of a teenage boy is another
Little
feeling
insecure.
altogether because the boys being boys and they love to go out and my son is an extrovert, so yeah, it's a great feeling. Yeah.
Chalo. We will have him next time in our show.
Of course, definitely.
So tell me, how did you marry Mr. Bhargav? How was your experience? Like, little story about.
So my husband is actually Hari Somal Raju.
Okay.
So I'm Charu Bhargav Somal Raju.
And what does he do?
And he is
Is into-
heading a French company.
Okay.
It's a consulting firm which is basically designing all the metro projects all over India.
Great.
So he heads that. He's the CEO for India and Southeast Asia operations. So, well, working because, we've always worked. I mean, I did my MBA and I've been a finance professional. So
Lovely.
that's how we met.
तो कुछ मेमोरीज आपकी जो आप शेयर करना चाहें, कुछ मेमोरेबल मोमेंट्स विद हिम लाइक.
Yeah. So we've obviously taken a lot of trips together, and he has been an amazing source of strength and inspiration for me. And he's always been there for me whenever I've needed him. At the same time, he gives me all the space to do what I wish to do.
Yes,
So
that's very important.
Yeah.
Being a woman, if your husband is supportive, then nothing like it. You can, sky is the limit then.
sky the limit. So I would say that we are almost in the same boat, Saima,
Yes.
that we have such supportive husbands and we are so happy in the space that we are in. So I
True.
feel so blessed to be with him.
True. Charu, your food is incredibly delicious. What sparked your passion for Andhra cuisine?
So, my husband is from Tirupati. And, while growing up, well, as most of us are, we are all foodies, aren't we? So,
You don't look like the way you have maintained yourself.
thank you so much. But, so we're fond of good food. And there wasn't a good restaurant here in Delhi. So that's when we decided that, okay, we should venture into, Andhra speciality food. So Bagundi serves delicious biryanis, vegetarian.
I have tasted that and it is really, really tasty. It's very delicious.
Thank you. So mutton, chicken biryanis. Then we have range of, snacking items like chicken 65, paneer 65, mirchi bhaji, guntur idli.
Oh God, my mouth is watering like anything.
Wait till you have, the new items that we've kind of launched in our menu. So we have healthy options like ragi sangati. We've launched a new range of dosas and lemon rice and tomato rice, puliogare rice. So we have lots of new things on the menu.
So next time, whenever we'll have any event in luxury aesthetic, the
We would
cuisine
be
will be
very
yours.
happy to do it. Yes.
And biryani, I have tasted like it comes in
Yeah.
proper matkas, and then they have steamed biryani kind, and
Yeah.
you serve it very well.
Thank you so much, Saima.
So, अब next question to you is, Acha,
Fanta.
how you have named Bagundi? Like, what inspired you?
Okay. So Bagundi means good in Telugu. Okay. So we were kind of, brainstorming for months all together. And that's when it kind of, I was looking up Google and did so much of research. And then, that's how we came across that, Bagundi meant good. So that's how we went ahead and
Bagundi meant
trademarked
what?
it good in Telugu.
Good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's how we zeroed
got
on this
the name.
name. Yeah.
Okay. Now let me ask some more questions from you, and that is, आपका कोई कस्टमर ऐसा था जिसने आपसे बहुत ही कुछ अजीब सी रिक्वेस्ट करी हो लाइक.
So they make all kinds in this world. And I remember that, there was a customer who, he used to love our biryani so much, and that is when we were running the restaurant. So he personally wanted to enter the kitchen to actually stand and see the, how it was being prepared by the chef. So I thought that request was really amusing.
आपकी सबसे तीखी डिश कौन सी है, और क्या कभी किसी ने पूरा खाया है उसको या छोड़ दिया बीच में लाइक.
So Saima, I would love to tell you that Andhra cuisine बहुत ही spicy होता है, which means that in general the spicy level of Andhra food is way a notch above the regular stuff that you eat in North India and Delhi in particular. So right from our mutton biryani and chicken biryanis and all the food, even the gravy items and the chicken pulusus and the mutton pulusus, even the guntur idli that we serve is spicy. So if you're not looking for spicy
I
food,
love
then you
spices in my life and I love spicy food. So next time I am going to get that. आपका कोई सीक्रेट इंग्रेडिएंट है, आप बताना चाहेंगे हमारे व्यूअर्स को कि आप क्या मेन उसमें डालते हो जो ऑल योर डिशेस आर सो टेम्पटिंग एंड गुड.
Well, the secret ingredient is that, we've given clear instructions that it has to be made hygienically and it has to be prepared with
Very
a lot of
important.
love. So, we tell them that, even though we are not all over the NCR yet and we are only there at 3 locations, but we want people to know that, the food is being made with a lot of love and it is
That's
traditionally
very
and the recipes have been picked up from my husband's and like his mother and the family, so they're all secret recipes. And but one of the ingredient, like you mentioned, is gongura.
Okay.
And gongura is a leaf for which we used and in some of the dishes that we prepare, and you don't get it consistently in Delhi, but that's one dish which is slightly खट्टा होता है थोड़ा.
Okay.
तो वो अगर आप try करेंगे तो I'm sure most of you
Would-
would have, you've not
love to
tried
have
it.
it, like.
Yeah.
हाँ, आप अपने मेन्यू में अब क्या नया ऐड करने वाले हैं? एनीथिंग स्पेशल यू वांट टू ऐड मोर टू योर डिशेस?
Yeah, so as I mentioned, we already have ragi sangati. So that's millet
What's
based, as you know. Ragi is
Yes.
millet, and I am a 100% millet eater. I don't eat wheat. I don't eat rice at all. So I'm very keen to introduce millets on the menu.
Yeah, millet is very popular these days. So one quick rapid fire round with you. What is your favorite lip color?
Lip color, well, honestly, I hate putting anything, but I like a tinge of peach.
Okay, that's natural.
Yeah.
And which is your favorite place you have ever gone and you have like you want to go more to that place?
So, well, in
India or
Andamans
abroad?
or Nicobar Islands, there is a place where you can go night kayaking.
Okay.
Okay, and it's beautiful under
So
the
viewers,
stars.
just listen carefully.
So, it's once in a lifetime experience.
Okay.
And then, yeah, I would say that's a real good experience. And of course, I could say the regular stuff like going to Rome or, going to the US. And of course, Egypt has been very special. So,
Huh. Which brand do you like most?
yeah. So I like, I'm not really a brand person, but like when you ask me, so I like Gucci and I like this jewelry brand, like I said, Zoya. So it's an Indian brand. It's a Tata promoted brand, and I love the high-end jewelry by Zoya.
Okay. So now, as we have done a rapid fire also with her, we would love to give her a gift hamper. Before that, I need her to sign this as usual. So we ask our guests to give some message to Luxury Aesthetics. So here it goes. And this is for you.
Thank
it's
you
all
so much.
assorted creams from Luxury Aesthetic to take care of your skin.
Thank you so much.
Lovely having you with us, and
It was
see
a
you
pleasure.
next.